Yesterday I have given some homework. Have you done? Have you done, students, whatever homework is given yesterday? Have you remembered the formula of circumference of the circle? Who will say what is the formula of circumference of a square of a circle? Anyone?
Ma'am, question number 9.
Question number 9 we will do. First you tell me what is the formula of circumference of a circle when radius is given? If diameter is given, what is the formula of circumference of the circle? If diameter is given, if radius is given, then you can say 2 pi r. If diameter of the circle is given, then what is its formula to find out the circumference of the circle?
2D. Ma'am, 2D. Ma'am, pi d.
Pi d, not 2d. Pi d. d क्यों लगता है? pi into 2r. 2 pi r हम इसको लिख सकते हैं pi into 2r. If you put 2r is equal to d, then this is pi into d. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, मैम. थोड़ा ब्लर है मैम. थोड़ा ब्लर है मैम. थोड़ा लेके जाइए. यस मैम, अब बिल्कुल सही है.
ओके.
यस मैम, ठीक है.
Now, okay. Now we will go from the question number 9. See, by using these formulas, we will solve the questions given. See what the question number 9 has given. A wire is in the form of a circle with radius 42 centimeter. One wire is given and its radius is given. See, wire in the form of a circle. Wire is given in the form of a circle and its radius is given 42 centimeter. 42 centimeter. This is r is equal to 42 centimeter. Okay. Now, find the sides of the square. It is bent into a square. The square change into a. This circle change into a square. At first, we will find out the circumference of the circle because the circumference of the circle is equal to the perimeter of the square. Yes or no? According to the question, circumference of the circle is equal to the perimeter of the square. Okay. First, you find out circumference. Circumference of the given circle. Now it is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down.
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 22 by 7. What r is given? R is equal to 42 centimeter into 42. You got it? 7 6 are 42. How much its perimeter? 264 centimeter. Yes. 264 centimeter. Okay. Is according to the question. Circumference
मैम,
of
बहुत
the
क्लियर नहीं
circle.
आ रही. मैम, वीडियो ब्लर आ रहा है आपका.
Circumference
यस मैम.
of the circle is equal to perimeter of the square.
4 is equal to 264.
अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी?
मैम बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है मैम, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है।
यस मैम।
समझ में सबको आया?
वीडियो थोड़ा कम है।
किसको अगर समझ में नहीं आया है तो पूछो। एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टूड द
मैम क्वेश्चन
क्वेश्चन?
नंबर 8 मैम, मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 नहीं आया है।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 10।
Okay, 8 already I have done yesterday. Question number 8 already I have done yesterday.
यस मैम।
मैम मैं कल क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं किया था।
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 10।
हाँ, shall I rub this one? Completed everybody? Shall I rub this one?
मैम 8 नंबर।
यस मैम।
Okay. This is question number 9. Now I wrote it. Now question number 10.
मैम 10।
Yes, yes, 10. Question number 10. I will do. Question number 8 I will do. Already I have done in yesterday. Now we will do question
Thank you,
number
ma'am.
10. The diameter of a circular park is 140 meter. Around it on the outside, a path having the width of 7 meter is constructed. Suppose this is one circle and diameter is given how much? D equal to 140 meter. Its radius will be 140 divided by 2, 70 meter. We can write here 70 meter. This is R. Okay. Then question is given around it on the outside a path having the width of 7 meter. 7 meter path around the outside of the circle. A path having width 7 meter is constructed. If the path have to be fenced from inside and outside at the rate of rupees 7 per meter, find its total cost. Okay?
मैम वीडियो आपका। मैम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल।
This is 7 meter. Width is given 7 meter. Then the radius of the big circle. How much? You will tell me what is the radius of the big circle? This is 70 meter.
मैम 77।
What is this?
मैम 77।
Yes, very good.
मैम आउटर सर्कल is 27 and inner circle is 70।
77 meter. Okay. Now we have to find out first circumference of the small circle. Then we have to find out the circumference of the big circle. Then we have to fence it. Fencing करना है. उसके बाद at rupees 7 rupees per meter. Let first find out the circumference of small circle. Circumference of small circle is equal to 2 into 5 into R. Here I am writing.
मैम इनर सर्कल लिख सकते हैं।
हाँ, inner circle you can write down. Is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 70. Then you got it.
Equal to 440 meter.
440 meter. Now circumference of the big circle. Circumference.
मैम 2 into 22 into 77 by 7.
Circumference of the big circle is equal to 2 into pi. Capital R you write down. 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R is given 77. You have to draw the figure also. Okay? You have to draw the figure also. Now 7, 11 हो गया. Then 44 into 11. 4, 84 meter. Okay. Then total circumference is equal to is equal to how much? 924. 924 meter. Okay.
24.
Now total circumference we have got. After that the question is given. You have to find out the total cost. Okay.
Ma'am, board is loud.
I am writing here. See. After that you have to write down this much. Total cost. Have you seen this? This part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Total cost to be fenced. Write down. Total cost to be fenced is equal to how much? 924 into 7 is equal to how much rupees? You multiply
6,468 rupees.
6,468 rupees. Okay, that is your answer. Everybody understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is one important question. This is one important question. Okay.
1458
Everybody
ma'am.
understood? If you have any problem, you can ask me.
मैम 11 नंबर मैम समझ में नहीं आया है मैम।
हाँ?
डायमीटर इसका कितना होगा?
Figure
11 नंबर
you
मैम समझ में नहीं आया है।
see, the diameter of a circular park is 140 meter. What is given? D equal to 140 meter. Here I have written already. Okay. D equal to 140. You can find out the radius of the circle. R equal to diameter by 2. 140 by 2 is equal to 70 meter. I have shown in the figure. R is equal to 70 meter. Understood now? And around it on outside a path having the width of 7 meter is constructed. This is one path which is 7 meter width from the circular path. Okay. इसी path से ये path का जो दूरियां है वो है 7 meter. Understood now? Question has written एक path दिया हुआ है. This is one path whose width is 7 meter. Now it will become a big square now, big circle now. Okay. This is 7 meter width. Now what will be the radius of the big circle? Big circle का radius will be how much? 70 meter this much and this is 7. 70 plus 7. Total 77. Understood now? Yes or no? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
77. Then we have to find out circumference of this circle. Then circumference of the outer circle. Okay. Then we can add the two circumference of the circle. Then we have to find out the total cost to be fenced. इसको fencing करना है by using bricks or anything, tiles, anything. You have to fence all the part. Okay. This is the inner circle and outer circle. All those parts you have to fence at rupees 7 per meter. 1 meter का cost 7 rupees. That's given in your question. Okay. First you have to find out circumference of the small circle. Then you have to find out circumference of the big circle. Then you add the total circumference. Then you have to find out the total cost to be fenced is equal to how much? 924 into 7. That is 6,468 rupees. Now clear? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Write down everybody.
मैम अगर हम लिख लिए हैं।
Okay, very good. Or everybody write down in your CW copy. Okay, I will check.
मैम 1
बना लिए हैं, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट यू राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 11।
मैम क्वेश्चन लिख लिए।
हु इज सेइंग? व्हाट्स योर नेम?
मैम दीक्षा। मैम मैंने भी लिख लिया।
नहीं, वन बॉय इज
मैम मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया।
ओके, shall I talk now? Yes?
यस मैम।
Okay.
यस मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
7F students, are you saying anything or just looking at me? Huh? 7F, हम कभी आप लोग से मिली नहीं हो। If you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay? Next question number 11. See what the question is given. An athlete runs around a circular path 10 times. Suppose one circular path is given and one athlete. Here my drawing is not good, but one athlete is standing here and he is running 10 times. This is one round, then two round, like this. He has crossed the path 10 times. Okay. If the diameter of the park is 280 meter, find the distance covered by the athlete in kilometers. Okay. Diameter is given. Then we can find the radius. Yes or no? Diameter is equal to 280 meter. Now radius equal to 280 divided by 2, 140 meter. Write down r equal to 140 meter. Now we can find out first the total distance crossing in one time. Okay, total distance covered in one time means its circumference. Write down circumference of the circular path is equal to 2 into pi 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to how much? 140. Then you cut it and multiply 20. How much? 880 meter.
मैम
880 meter. This is one time cross the distance. Now athlete runs around the circular path 10 times. Then we have to find out the total distance. Write down total distance.
किलोमीटर।
Total distance runs by athletic is equal to how much? 880 into 10 is equal to 8,800 meter. Okay. Now total distance is given. We have got the total distance run by the athletic. Okay. Then what we have to find out? Find the distance covered the athlete in kilometers. We have to find out in kilometers. Okay. 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? 1000 meter.
मैम 1000।
Yes.
1000।
800 divided by 1000 is equal to 8.8 kilometer.
8.8 kilometer।
That is your answer. Now everybody clear about that?
Yes ma'am.
Yes ma'am। Yes ma'am।
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Write down. Completed.
Yes ma'am।
Yes ma'am.
Shall I write this?
Yes ma'am। Completed।
Yes ma'am. मैम रेस्ट ऑफ 3 क्वेश्चंस ये मैम खुद से कर लेंगे, आप न्यू वर्कशीट स्टार्ट कर दीजिए। 12, 13, 14, 15 कर लेंगे.
12, 13, 14. You can do.
मैम खुद.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम खुद से कर लेंगे.
Okay, now you just write down the question number 12, 13, 14 is your homework. Someone asking about the question number 9.
Ma'am, 8.
8.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Okay, I will do after that. Okay, shall I write now?
Ma'am, मेरा
Yes,
नाम
ma'am.
होता है मैम.
Yes. Now you write down just question number 12. After that, the 2 questions are your homework. Okay, write down just question number 12. See what the question is given. Circular piece of thin wire is converted into a rhombus of side 11 centimeter. You know what is the property of a rhombus?
यस मैम.
Tell me.
यस मैम.
Tell me.
मैम 1/2
Ma'am, a rhombus has all equal sides.
Yes.
Yes,
Rhombus
ma'am.
has equal side. Yes. This property only
These
within
all
it.
diagonals
Only
make
you
a
see this
right
property
angle.
only. Okay, all sides are equal. So, side of rhombus is given by the side of rhombus.
Ma'am, 11 centimeter rhombus. Side of rhombus is equal to 11 centimeter.
Yes, 11 centimeter. Then we have to find out the perimeter of the rhombus. Yes, perimeter of the rhombus.
When
is equal
Circumference circular wire is equal to perimeter of rhombus.
The circumference of the lane. You have to find out first perimeter of the rhombus. It will be equal to the circumference of the circle. 4 into side, because rhombus also has 4 sides are equal length. Okay, that is 4 into 11 centimeter.
Ma'am, 2 into p pi into r is equal to 4 into side.
Yes, very good. Then you have to write down according to the question, perimeter of the rhombus is equal to what the question is given you. A circular piece of thin wire is converted into a rhombus. So, perimeter of the rhombus, you have to write down these lines. Okay. Perimeter of the rhombus is equal to circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. See, which is equal to how much? 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. Yes or no? Then r is equal to 44 divided by 2 pi.
7.
Yes?
7, ma'am.
मैम
Yes. 44
7
into, I am writing here clearly, 2 into 22 by 7. I think one has problem, anyone will face problems. See, how can you solve it? 44 divided by 2 pi is equal to 44 divided by 2 into, what is the value of I? Now clearly you see and attentively, those who don't know the division of fraction, okay? 2 into 22 by 7. Now 44 into 7 by 2 into 22. 22 to 44, you can cut it. Then you get 7 centimeter. Then find the diameter of the circular piece. This is the radius.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Diameter is equal to 2 into 12.
into 2 is equal to 14 centimeter. This is your answer. Clear about that? Those who don't know
Ma'am, 2 into 7. Ma'am, 2 into 7 is equal to 40 centimeter.
I
Answer.
have written here. Is it visible to all of you?
No, ma'am.
No. This line is not visible. I am writing here D equal to 2 into R. The 2 into 7 is equal to 14 centimeter. But you have to write down this, the below of this line. Okay. 8. At first you complete it. Everybody understood this question? Question number 12?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. But
Note
it
it
is
down.
completed. Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
Write,
please say. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
write down.
Ma'am, completed. Yes, ma'am, completed.
Shall I
Ma'am,
please?
completed.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, board is clear.
Now you write down question number 8.
लगता है हमको गलती से वो बोर्ड इज ब्लर
13 and 14 is your homework.
तो मैम फिर
Question number 8. Now question number 8. See what the question is given. The radius of a wheel of a bus is 0.70 centimeter. Suppose I have drawn here one wheel like this. Okay, like this one wheel is there and its radius is given 0.7. Suppose this is the center and I will take one radius. I am writing here 0.7 centimeter. Okay, then how many revolutions will it take in covering 22 kilometer? Yesterday I have told revolution means one revolution means circumference of the wheel, or you can say circumference of the circle, of the given circle. Understood what is the meaning of revolution in mathematics? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first we have to find out the circumference of the given circle. Write down radius is equal to 0.70 centimeter. 70 you can write down, or you can write down 0.7. Okay. Then circumference is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 0.7. 2 into 22 by 7. You can change it into fraction. 7 by 10. Now you got this 7 7. Then 20 44 by 10. We can write 4.4 centimeter. Sorry, meter is given, not centimeter. 4.4 meter. Now clear about that? This is the length of one revolution. Okay? This is the length of one revolution. But we have to find out number of revolution. What? Number of revolution is equal to total length of the revolution, or we can say total distance of the revolution is given in your question 22 kilometer. Here meter is given, that's why we change it into 22 kilometer into 22,000 meter divided by one revolution means its circumference of the wheel, that is 4.4. Okay, now understood everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes,
you
ma'am.
must divide and write down the number of revolution. Who is joining now? Huh? Try to join in time. Okay, now you are joining. Just end movement. That is 5,000. You can divide and you can change the decimal Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Or everybody note it down in your copy.
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन समझ में सबको आ गया ना? क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है? मैथमेटिक्स में रिवॉल्यूशन मीन्स एक चक्कर लगाना, जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में। ओके, एक सर्कुलर पाथ आपको क्रॉस करना है। दैट इज द सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ द सर्कुलर पाथ। क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
टाइम 10:09 10:09 12:09। ओके, और एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? वर्कशीट 5 I have done so many questions. Okay, you all practice the question. You are in home, you have more time to learn. Okay, every day whatever I have done at CW, you have to practice daily. Okay, don't waste time. You are not coming to school, you are inside the home. Okay, try to manage your time in your study. Okay, this is the best time.
मैम स्कूल कब खुलेगा?
स्टडी।
मैम कल स्कूल खुल जाएगा?
आपको मोबाइल मिल गया, टैबलेट मिल गया, लैपटॉप मिल गया, यू आर जस्ट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम। हाँ, इधर उधर देखना नहीं है। अगर थोड़ा सा बहुत कुछ एंटरटेन करना है, उसके लिए भी यू कैन फिक्स टाइमिंग, बट यू हैव टू लर्न, और यू आई कैन से यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस मोर, यू हैव मोर टाइम। यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
Here
Yes,
one question are important. Here this is that's why I have done in book blackboard. Okay, for your better understanding. For your better understanding, I have solved one question on the board. Okay, you have to practice in your home, and you will get the best result in your life. Next,
मैम स्कूल कब खुलेगा?
स्कूल कब खुलेगा? God will decide. Okay, ओमिक्रॉन जब हट जाएगा फिर हम लोग साथ में आएंगे स्कूल will decide. Okay,
मैम भगवान तय,
ओमिक्रॉन का जब थोड़ा सा
मैम भगवान तय करेंगे।
खुल जाएगा। बाकी आप लोग का अच्छा, आप लोग अच्छे सोचेंगे तो जल्दी अच्छा ही होगा। ओके, तो भगवान को, बच्चे को भगवान मानते हैं ना, इसलिए आप लोग अच्छा सोचो तब अच्छा हो जाएगा। Shall I rub this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, आपका next topic is area of a circle. Next class, I will show one activity so that you can remember how we can find out the area of the circle. Only you just memorizing the formula. What we know? What we ask?
Ma'am,
Students, you tell me what is the area of the circle. You simply you said, ma'am, pi r square. You are telling like this? Yes or no? You
Yes,
are telling
ma'am.
or not?
Ma'am,
आप just
pi into
memorizing the
r.
formula
Ma'am, pi
and you
into
are saying,
r
ma'am,
square.
that is the formula of the area of the circle is pi r square. But in the next class, I will show you how you can show through activity. और ये दिमाग में आपका माइंड मैप बन जाएगा. You no need to memorizing the formula. Okay, next class I will show you.
Okay, ma'am.
Pi r
Thank you, ma'am.
R square means pi r into r. R square means r into r. Yes or no? Where r is the radius of the circle. R is the radius of the circle.
Ma'am, r into r.
हाँ?
Ma'am, r into r.
हाँ, ये मैंने इधर pi r square means pi into r. Okay, pi into.
Ma'am, triple r.
हाँ. Now you see, next class I will show the activity. I am just doing one question in worksheet 6. See, in worksheet 6, d by
Yes, ma'am.
2 is equal to 8.4 divided by 2, 4.2
2.
meter.
Ma'am, 2 divided by 2.
Yes. Now clear about that? Now someone Aditya
Yes,
Raj.
ma'am.
Now he is joining. You join right time. Okay, dear students, you join in right time. Now just ending time. Then you have to find out the area of the circle. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7 into r square, as I am telling, r into r. R whatever given. 4.2 into 4.2. Okay. Then 7 you can cut it 0.6. Now you multiply and tell me what is, and you write down the unit as square meter, or you can write square centimeter. As per instruction, you have to write down. Here meter is given, so we have to write down the unit square meter. Okay. What is its answer? You multiply and tell me. 54.44. You multiply. Okay. 50.
Ma'am, 55.44 meter.
Okay. 55.44 square meter, or you can write meter square.
Ma'am, meter square कैसे होगा?
Okay. Have you understood? Completed.